I'm here on the coast and it's January. Today I want to talk about experience. I want to give you the experience of something that I don't do very often and that I love doing, which is to get outdoors in the middle of winter on a beautiful day like this and go see someplace that I hardly ever get to see. If you're feeling cooped up and cabin feverish in this wintertime, I'm going to share my experience with you so that you can have some vicarious adventure here on the coast with me. And this is my cure. If you're watching me or you're listening to me or you're reading a book or whatever you're doing in terms of how we're connecting, if you don't have an experience that's the same kind of experience that I'm having, then my message and my meaning won't connect with you. This is something that I call experience marketing. And this is something that I think works so well in this medium. I mean, right now, you can see what's out here. A lot of people are going out on social media and they're trying to talk to folks and they're spending a lot of time, sharing information and sharing good value. But the thing is that if you don't actually communicate an experience, if you don't give the people you're talking to an actual experience of getting a little bit closer to whatever solution they're looking for, then it's not going to work very well. They won't really remember what you had to say. If you give them the experience of what they're looking for, you become very attractive. They're all of a sudden the light will go off and they'll go, oh my gosh, look, I actually have gotten some of what I want. And I now believe that I can do it. And just that alone, like their believing that they can do it is very, very powerful, and it makes you very attractive. If you'd like to learn more about how to do this kind of experience marketing with video, then I would like to talk with you. And I'm going to invite you to sign up for a little mini coaching session, and you and I can get together on the phone, have a virtual coffee or tea chat. And I'll ask you questions about what you're doing and the problem that you're solving with your business. Look at the link below, and you can follow through and get on my calendar to set up a time for us to chat. This is what I do. I help entrepreneurs communicate, especially through social media, on video, so that they can do experiential marketing and give people the solution and the answer that they're looking for. So I hope to talk to you soon, and thanks for watching.